engineer. Before you jump into the sector of biomedical engineering, ask yourself this question. First, do you like working in a hospital environment? Second, do you like working close to the patients in hospitals? Third, do you like traveling for work out of your hometown? Fourth, are you curious about how medical equipment works? Fifth, do you want to study about biomedical engineering or biomedical science? Because biomedical science is completely different stream than biomedical engineering, because it also contains the word engineering involved in any field. It is related to know the answers, technicalities, and come with ideas to resolve the needs. Same way in biomedical engineering stream, you will be learning about existing technologies available in the medical sector and getting into the research to develop the same product or a new product which will be in compliance of medical grades. Research and development program, then the next job is for you guys. The first professional profession once you complete biomedical engineering can be R&D engineer. But this type of job mostly given preference to the students who have been completely into research throughout the academics while pursuing biomedical engineering. The second profession is sales and marketing engineers. If you have pursued the MBA marketing program after biomedical engineering, and if you have a good sales marketing skill, then there are many companies where you can work on different positions in the company for sales and marketing of a medical product. The third position is application specialist. This is also known as pre-sales and post-sale application specialist. Their role is to educate the users in a hospital. This is also a part of sales and marketing, equipment. Mostly in-house workshops are used for fixing, calibrating, and testing for a longer period. In this case, medical equipment has to be taken from the hospital to the servicing workshop for the repairs. But if you are a customer support engineer, the 90% repair work to be done in the hospital. Mostly you diagnose the problem and replace the spare part in the hospital workshop itself. In this profile, you also install the new machines in hospital. So these are a few roles which are definitely looked for, but there are other roles also available like medical device calibration engineer, medical testing engineer,